Working out can be just as effective as taking an antidepressant pill. Today, I'm going to be offering 5 tips on how to manage your mental health and well-being, as well as hopefully cross the finish line to this pandemic. During the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, you may have experienced stress, anxiety, fear, anger, sadness, and loneliness, and mental health disorders including anxiety and depression can worsen over time. Now, I hate to sound like a high school health teacher here, but some individuals may have turned to increased alcohol consumption and substance abuse, thinking that these can help them cope with the stress about the pandemic. In reality though, these behaviors can not only worsen your anxiety and depression, but will actually put you at a higher risk of contracting COVID-19 and experiencing serious complications, simply because stressors like this can weaken your immune response, along with all the other health complications and ailments that can arise from prolonged stress and mental health concerns. For all these reasons, that is why I'm here today to break down 5 smart self-care tips that you can practice every day to manage your stress, anxiety, or depression. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jordan Wagner. I'm an emergency room doctor who treats everything from COVID to gunshot wounds, burns, you name it. I've created this video series to help answer some of your medical questions and the questions that I get from patients each and every day. If you find this video helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe. Before we get into it, if you or someone you know is feeling suicidal or have mentioned suicidal thoughts, please reach out to a mental health provider, a doctor, the emergency department, or call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255, available 24/7. All right, here we go. Let's dive right into 5 helpful mental health tips that will help you combat your anxiety, depression, and other mental health concerns. Number 1, develop a routine. This is a huge one if you suffer from anxiety. Developing a routine will help you adapt more quickly to this current reality. Create clear distinctions between work and non-work time, ideally in both your physical space as well as your head space. Also, make sure you find something to do that is not work-related and is not virus-related that brings you joy. Additionally, working in short bursts with clear breaks will help you maintain your clarity of thought. Developing an attainable routine is very important to helping ease your anxiety. Number 2, stop putting things off. If there's something you've always wanted to do, but keep putting it off, there is no time like the present to do it in 2021. Once it's safe to do that, of course. If it involves travel or being with other people, it obviously may need to be put on the back burner for now, but making set plans can give you something to look forward to, as well as a goal to work on. For instance, while it's probably not yet a great time to go backpacking through Europe, you could start researching and planning out the trip for the near future. In the meantime, think about the little things that you've been wanting to do. Make a TikTok video, learn to bake bread, reach out to some old friends, and plan a video call. Start an online yoga class. Whatever you've been putting off, stop waiting around and do it. Maybe just think of a way to modify it for now. Number 3, limit exposure to news media. Constant news about COVID-19 from all types of media can heighten fears about the disease and just life in general. Limit social media that may expose you to rumors and false information. Limit reading or watching other news, but keep up to date on national and local recommendations. Instead, look for reliable sources, such as the CDC website, or check out some of my coronavirus updates here on my channel. Number 4, connect with others. Make sure you build support, strengthen relationships, and make those connections that are important for your life and social circle. For instance, if you need to stay home and distance yourself from others, please avoid social isolation. Find time each day to make virtual connections by email, text, phone, or FaceTime, or a similar app. Make a video call with your friends or a new friend. It may actually be helping your mental health more than you realize. Also, if you're working remotely from home, check in with your coworkers about how they are doing and share some coping tips. Enjoy virtual socializing and talking to those in your home. Also, you can always connect with an animal as well. There are many studies that say having a pet or an animal in your life decreases depression. Try reaching out to the local animal organization or shelter to see if they have any foster or adoption offerings. Number 5, exercise. Physical exercise is one of the most proven strategies for alleviating stress and reducing depression. And even though it seems like we'd have even more time to exercise now that we're sheltering in place, again, many of us have fallen out of our regular routines and added a little coronavirus 15 to our waistline. I'm telling you, regular exercise is a crucial coping tool. For example, regular exercise can positively impact serotonin levels in your brain. Raising your levels of serotonin boosts your mood and overall sense of well-being. There are even studies that suggest working out can be just as effective as taking an antidepressant pill. It can also help improve your appetite and sleep cycles, which are often negatively affected by depression. Any form of physical activity that gets the blood pumping can help relieve stress and depression. Aim for about 30 minutes each day of some sort of physical movement, even if it's just as simple as taking your dog for a walk. Hoping mental health problems such as anxiety or depression will go away on their own can lead to worsening symptoms. Continue these self-care practices to take care of your mental health and increase your ability to cope with life's ongoing challenges. If you have concerns or you find that your mental health symptoms are getting worse day after day, please don't be afraid to reach out to a professional and ask for help. Be upfront and honest about how you are doing. All right, those were 5 quick tips on improving your mental health. Please make sure that you subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. When you do that and you hit that like button, you let YouTube know that you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.